Hi, let's make this cute fall decor using affordable Dollar Tree galvanized letters, rope, 3 pieces of wood from Hobby Lobby, paint, and a glue gun. First, I'll be painting 3 slats of wood. One will be orange, one will be red, and the other one will be brown. I had this blue leftover wood from a leftover project, but I'll just simply paint over it. The paint dries fairly quickly. Here I'm just placing the letters where I'd like them to be. The project needed a little something, so I took this stencil using gold and yellow paint. It's an adhesive stencil. Just painting that on the bottom 2 slats of wood. Using a stencil brush, I'm pouncing on the paint. And I think I used a bit too much paint. The brush should have been had a very little paint on it when stenciling. So the lines, they didn't come out as crisp as I'd like them to be, but that's okay. And I'm going to add another little flower here in the corner. Now, I love using upholstery tacks in many of my projects, but for this one I chose to use an antique brass tack. I got them from Hobby Lobby. They were $1.99, but with the 50% off that they have, it came out to $1. And so I'm just tacking those in with a hammer in each of the corners of the wood. Okay, so now it's time to glue the words in place. So I'm just putting glue on every other letter or so. And if you notice, I have the word harvest closer to the right, and the word thankful is going to be in the middle, and the welcome will be towards the left. You could put them all in the center or all to one side. It's just whatever you like. I really enjoyed making this fall decor. It did not take long at all. The paint dries quickly and the glue gunning takes no time at all. And this doesn't have to be like a fall only project. You can use brighter colors for spring or summer, or Christmas colors during the winter season. Okay, I sectioned off this Dollar Tree rope and I tied a little knot down at the bottom. And if you notice in the left-hand corner, I have a little 2-year-old helper who loves to be involved in my crafts, even if that means asking 100 times, "What are you doing?" Okay, with the 2-year-old playing safely away from the glue gun, I'm placing a line of glue on each side of the rope and just pressing it down, pressing the wood down on the glue. It wasn't till I finished the project that I realized I had switched the red and the orange slat. So that little flower there is off-centered, and I was wondering, well, why is that off? But because the red one's supposed to be where the orange one is, but like I said before, it's okay when you have craft projects. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but that's the fun thing. You can switch things up and make them your own and unique. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy crafting as like a therapeutic stress relief. I surely do. This project was really fun. And that's it. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe for more DIY videos, and share this video with everyone you know. Thanks for watching.